Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be unboxing some fake Galaxy Buds live. So yep, let's open it up. So first thing I see is the charging cable. It is it looks like it's not Type C. It's a micro USB. Here's like a manual in Chinese. And here's the case. Here's like the buds themselves. I'll take them out. It comes with like a yellow sticker for some reason. So like after listening to these earbuds, like after listening to them for a few minutes, um, I can say that they're pretty bad. Like there's like no bass in them, and like I mean they are comfortable, but that's because it's like Samsung's like shape and design. But like since like it's so far, like the speaker itself is not inside your ear, so it's like pretty far away, and that results in like no bass at all. Also, like the first thing I noticed was it's using a micro USB, which is like a big downgrade compared to if you watch my other fake Galaxy Buds unboxing. Like the other ones had USB Type C, so I don't know why they decided to downgrade to micro USB, and that's really disappointing. Like overall, I would not recommend getting these because of the waiting time. Like I bought these off like AliExpress and it took like 2 months, and they're not very good. So yeah, that's my unboxing and review, and thank you for watching.